Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this series, we are going to learn Python from absolute beginner level in a very simple and practical way. If you are completely new to programming, don't worry. This course is especially for you. So today, let's start with most basic question. What is Python and why should you learn it? So Python was created by Gero van Rossum. It was first released in the year 1991. Python is a high level and general purpose programming language. So there are two key terms here, high level and general purpose programming language. A high level language is a language that is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Python is a high level programming language. What is a general purpose programming language? According to Wikipedia definition, in computer software, a general purpose programming language, it is also called as GPL, is a programming language for building software in a wide variety of application domains. On contrary, there is something also called as domain-specific programming language, DSL, which is used for a specific area. So DSL is used for a specific area. It is domain-specific language, and Python is a GPL, that is general purpose programming language, which is used in a variety of application domains. So example of DSL is SQL, which is used for querying relational database. However, one example of general purpose programming language is Python. Python is designed to be simple, readable, and powerful. Python 3 was released in year 2008. So, let's discuss why is Python so popular. Have you ever wondered why does everyone keep talking about Python? Why is it one of the most popular programming languages in the world? Let's find out. Python is easy to learn and understand. Python feels most like in reading the English language. It has no complicated symbols, no confusing structure, just clean, simple code that even beginners can understand. That's why students, professionals, and even complete beginners love Python is clean and readable syntax. Python focuses on clarity and simplicity. Instead of writing long, confusing code, Python lets you do more with even fewer lines of code. This makes programming less scary and a lot more fun. Another advantage of Python is that it has huge community support. What do we mean by community support? So, learning Python means you are never alone. There is a massive global community of developers, forums, tutorials, YouTube channels, and documentation. If you ever get stuck in any problem, any error, any issue, someone would have already faced it and solved it and shared the solution. We can defer the solution, take help from the solution, and solve the problem. Okay. Power Python also has a great set of powerful libraries and frameworks. Python is not just simple, it's powerful. It has libraries for almost everything, starting from web development. It has powerful libraries like Django, Flask. In the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it has very powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch. In the field of data science, it has libraries like Pandas, NumPy. For automation, it has libraries like PyAutoGUI, Selenium, etc. You just import the library and boom, half of the work is already done. You can simply call the functions or the methods from the library, which will make your life as a developer very easy. Python works on multiple platforms. That means Python runs everywhere, be it Windows, Mac, Linux, even on mobile device and embedded systems. So once you learn Python, you can use it almost like anywhere. Python isn't just a language. It is a gateway to development, AI, data science, automation, and endless opportunities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments why do you want to learn Python. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.